If you're thinking about becoming a project manager, now's a good time to go for it. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the demand for project managers is growing, with about 70,000 new job openings projected each year from now until 2031. They also make good money. In fact, the typical PM earns around $94,000 a year, well above the national average. So what is project management, and what do project managers do? Well, the name pretty much gives it away. Project managers handle all the moving parts of a project, like the timelines, teams, tasks, and budgets. They identify and manage the scope of a project, assign tasks, build workflows and project management software, and make sure teams understand the needs for certain projects or tasks. It takes a good amount of education and experience to become a project manager, which is why most employers look for candidates with a bachelor's degree. A business degree from WGU can be an ideal place to start because it can help you understand the ins and outs of management processes, budgets, and strategy. There's already a shortage of qualified project managers, so now is a great time to earn your degree and make it happen. Learn more at WGU. And while you're at it, take a look at all the other careers you can explore with one of WGU's 60+ degree programs.